Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, and if not, welcome back. And today I have a packing video for you. I am going to show you how I pack my small Dagne Dover Landon bag, so let me just jump right into it. So I got this bag on sale. It is in the pomelo color. It's really pretty. Bonus, if you have the Owala in this beautiful pink color like I do, it's pretty much an exact match for this bottle. It's so cute. I have this packed for myself because we are in the middle of COVID, so I'm not taking my kids anywhere. And I use this more, I'm sorry, I have my daughter right here. I use this more as a purse for myself, and I have it packed full. I do still have some things for them, and I'm pretty sure I could fit a diaper in here with maybe a travel pack of wipes. But let me just show you. I have it with the snaps down, and it doesn't have much going on the outside, only a little slip pocket right back here. And this is where I have my sunglasses, my little hair tie. This is an invisible. So I am going to angle the camera down so that you can see kind of how I have it packed. Okay, I'm hoping this is kind of a better view. It's a little bit hard for me right now to show you. This is how it looks with the clips down. As you can see, I have a bunch of stuff in there. I'm going to unclip it so you can have a better view. But I can access everything easily, even with it clipped down on the sides. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this back pocket. It does have a little closure here with Velcro. And I have a couple of things in here. Let me see. I have a disposable mask. And then I have my Rad and Happy planner, which I am obsessed with. And nothing else. So kind of close to this back portion of the bag, I have a pack of gum. I have a little stasher bag with an extra mask for myself. This is the one by Ryla that I also wear a lot. It's the one with the lemon print. Alka-Seltzer gum because I am pregnant and have a lot of heartburn. My favorite mask so far is tie-dye, and it's so cute. Love it. Kleenex because I need this a lot. Then I have my Dagne Dover wallet. This is my favorite wallet by far. It's really simple, but it holds all my cards, and I do have also some cash back there. Then standing right up here, I have my phone. This is an iPhone. It's an 11 Pro Max, I think. And then I have the pouch that comes with this bag attached to the little tether. And in here I have some pens for my planner and a bunch of little lip glosses and lip products. So yeah, a bunch of friction pens and lip products. Okay, and then the last pouch is actually from MZ Wallace. This came with my Metro bag, and this is the smaller bag. And in here I have a bunch of snacks for my kids. I think they went through a couple while I was at my appointment, but I have a bunch of options for them, and I love that this is really light, but packs all of their stuff really nicely. Okay, moving on to this side pocket. This is where I have, this is my house key and my mailbox key with a final straw. And I have my car keys attached to a little tile and my wristlet. On the other side, I have my 2-year-old's sunglasses. These were like $1 at Target. In this zippered pocket, hand sanitizer. This is by Touchland in the watermelon scent, and I do have a little silicone bumper thing. And I have my AirPods. So that's everything I am carrying in my Landon small pomelo backpack from Dagne Dover. I absolutely love this little size for myself. But I do like that I can carry snacks for my kids because, let's be honest, that's mostly what they will need. And if I needed to, I could add a diaper or maybe two. If I didn't carry my planner, they could easily fit in that little pocket on the back with a travel pack of wipes. And I do think that it's so cute that these two match, because I don't go anywhere without this baby because I'm pregnant and I live in the desert. So I do hope that you enjoyed this and found it useful if you are researching this bag. It's super cute. So that's everything for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. If you like this type of content and have not yet subscribed, don't forget to do so before you go. There will be a big button right in here in the middle for you to do that. And if you choose to subscribe, I will see you in the next one. Bye.